If you are running an online store and you have not started using TikTok Shop yet, you could be missing out on a massive opportunity. Because TikTok is no longer just a place people go for entertainment. It has become one of the fastest ways for people to discover products, follow trends, and buy things on impulse. And that is exactly why this matters for e-commerce. People are not just scrolling for fun anymore. They are scrolling to find ideas, solve problems, and spot products they want right now. And the biggest advantage is this: they do not have to leave the app to buy. That means the journey from seeing your product to purchasing your product becomes much shorter. And in e-commerce, less friction usually means more sales. That is why connecting TikTok Shop with Shopify is such a smart move. Instead of hoping people remember your website later, they can see your product in action, tap the tag, and buy it almost instantly. So in this video, I am going to walk you through exactly how to connect TikTok Shop with Shopify, step by step. And I will also show you how to set it up the right way so you avoid common mistakes that can slow you down later. The first thing you need is a TikTok Seller Center account. This is the main dashboard where you manage everything related to TikTok Shop. When you sign up, TikTok will usually ask whether you want to register with an email address or connect an existing TikTok account. And here's an important tip right away. Try to keep your details consistent. Use the same email across your TikTok account, your TikTok seller account, and your Shopify setup where possible. Because when those details do not match, that is when people often run into verification issues and connection problems. Next, TikTok will ask what type of seller you are. For some people, that will be an individual seller. For others, it will be a registered business. So if you are starting small on your own, the individual route may be the best fit. But if you are running a more established brand or registered company, the business option will usually make more sense. Depending on which route you choose, TikTok may ask for documents like ID, business registration details, tax information, or banking details. Once that is submitted, TikTok will review the account. Sometimes this happens quickly, other times it can take a little longer. But while that is being processed, do not waste that time. Use it to get everything else ready. This is where many sellers lose momentum. They get approved, but they are not actually prepared to launch properly. So while you are waiting, go into your seller settings and set up the basics. Sort out your shipping options, set up your return policy, add your tax details, and decide how you want fulfillment to work. The more organized you are at this stage, the easier everything becomes later. Then, after that, turn your attention to your Shopify store. Because whatever is inside Shopify is going to affect how your products appear once they sync over to TikTok Shop. And this is a huge mistake beginners make. They rush to connect everything before cleaning up their listings. But if your product titles are weak, your descriptions are vague, or your images are poor, those problems do not disappear just because the products are now on TikTok. TikTok is a fast-moving visual platform. People decide very quickly whether they are interested or not. So before you sync anything, go through your store properly. Start with your titles. Make them clear, detailed, and searchable. If you are selling clothing, include the style, fit, material, and key details. If you are selling gadgets or accessories, include the features people actually care about. If you are selling home products, make it obvious what the item does and why somebody would want it. Then, look at your descriptions. Do not just list features. Explain the benefit behind the feature. Instead of saying stainless steel design, explain why that matters. Maybe it means it lasts longer, resists rust, or handles daily use better. Instead of saying soft fabric, explain that it feels more comfortable, warmer, or easier to wear for long periods. Features describe the product. Benefits help sell the product. That is the difference. And your images matter just as much. Use clean photos, show multiple angles, and where possible, include lifestyle images that show the product being used in real life. Because people buy faster when they can imagine themselves using it. Now, while you are improving your Shopify store, this is also a good time to think about one of the most important parts of all, the product itself. Because even if your setup is perfect, a weak product is still a weak product. And TikTok moves fast. Some products take off quickly, others never get traction at all. So if you want the best chance of success, you need to make sure you are selling products people actually want. And that is why product research matters so much. You do not want to build this whole system around random products with no demand. You want products that already show signs of traction and have the kind of visual appeal that works well on TikTok. And that leads perfectly into the next step. Because once you understand how to connect TikTok Shop with Shopify, The next question becomes, what products should you actually be listing? And that is exactly why you should watch my next video. Find hot-selling TikTok shop products using Callo data. Because in that video, I break down how to find products that already have momentum, what data to look at, and how to avoid choosing products that look exciting on the surface, but never actually convert. So make sure you watch that right after this one, because setting up TikTok Shop is only half the battle. Choosing the right products is what gives this setup real earning potential. Now, once your TikTok seller account is approved, the next step is connecting it with Shopify inside Shopify. Go to the App Store and install the TikTok app. Then log in and connect it to your TikTok Seller Center account. Again, this is where keeping your details consistent really helps. Once the accounts are connected, Shopify will begin syncing your product catalog into TikTok Shop. Now, this next part is important. Do not rush it, because TikTok does not just want a basic product upload. It wants accurate categories and detailed product attributes. So if you sell clothing, TikTok may ask for things like size, color, gender, material, or style. If you sell electronics or accessories, it may ask for brand compatibility, key specs, color, material, or durability details. The more complete your listing is, the better chance your product has of appearing in relevant searches and being recommended to the right people. If those fields are left blank, your visibility can suffer badly. So take your time here. Be specific. Fill in as much useful detail as possible, because this is how TikTok understands what your product is, who it is for, and when it should show it to shoppers. Once your products are live, that is when things start to get exciting, because now you can begin tagging products directly in your content. This is where TikTok Shop becomes really powerful. You create a video, you feature the product naturally, and then you tag it so people can tap and buy without leaving the app. Maybe you show how it works, maybe you show the problem it solves, maybe you show a before and after, or maybe you make the product part of a simple, relatable scenario. Whatever the angle, the goal is to make the product feel useful, real, and easy to buy. And the good news is, you do not need polished ad-level content for this to work. In fact, on TikTok, content that feels too polished can sometimes perform worse. People respond better to content that feels natural, authentic, and relatable. So do not overthink production. Focus on showing the product clearly. Show the result. Show the use case. Show why somebody would care. That is what gets attention. And there is another major advantage here as well. Creators and affiliates can also promote your products, which means you are not limited to your own content. A creator in your niche could feature your product in one of their videos, tag it, and suddenly their audience can buy it too. That is where TikTok Shop can really scale, because now you are combining content, commerce, and creator promotion all inside one platform. So to bring everything together, first, create your TikTok Seller Center account. Then use the waiting time to sort out shipping, returns, taxes, and seller settings. After that, improve your Shopify listings so your titles, descriptions, and images are strong enough to perform well on TikTok. Then connect Shopify with the TikTok app and carefully map your product categories and attributes. And once your products go live, start creating natural content that tags those products directly inside your videos. That is when the system really starts to work. And remember, getting the setup right is only part one. Part two is choosing the right products in the first place. So when you finish this video, go and watch Find Hot-Selling TikTok Shop Products using Callo data, because that video will show you how to find the kinds of products that give this entire TikTok Shop setup a much better chance of actually making money. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more ways to make money online with AI, e-commerce, and TikTok Shop.